Hello students, welcome to the video class of the new chapter matrix. Okay, that is matrices. Plural form is matrices. Now before that we should do Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in previous classes we discussed the chapter determinants. What is determinant? What is rows of the determinant, columns of the determinant, properties of the determinant, how to solve the linear equations using Cramer's rule. Okay, but today we are going to discuss the new chapter matrices. Matrices is the plural form of matrix. Okay, so what is matrix? At first we should know what is matrix. Matrix means the arrangement of elements, that is real numbers or complex numbers or functions, etc. So we can say what is matrix of order m into n. Okay, what is the matrix of order m into n? Definition mn number of elements, mn number of elements are arranged in m rows and n columns and n columns in between square brackets or common brackets is called a matrix of order m into n. Read as m by n. Okay, so what is matrix means? That is definition of the matrix. Mn number of elements. These elements may be real numbers, may be complex number or functions, are arranged in m rows and n columns in between square bracket or common bracket is called a matrix of order m into n, or read as this is m by n, not m cross n, m into n, that is it is not m into n. This is read as m by n matrix. Okay, m by n matrix, or we can say the rectangular array of, or we can say the rectangular array of mn number of numbers, that is real numbers or complex numbers, okay, or functions in m rows and n columns in between square brackets or common brackets is called a matrix of order m by n. Okay, m by n. One notation of matrices. Notation of matrices. Notation of matrices. Generally the matrices are denoted by the capital letters, A, B, C, D, P, Q, etc. Okay. Now this is notation of matrices. Now general element of the matrices. General element of the matrices. General element of the matrix. The general element of the matrix is denoted by the general elements or entries. Elements or entries are the general element or entry. Elements or entries. Full form of the entry is entries is denoted by small aij. Okay, where I indicates rows and j indicates the columns. Where I indicates position of row and j indicates the position of column. The position of column. Clear? The position of the column. Now general matrix of order m by n. General matrices of order m by n. Okay, what is m by n? This is number of rows and this is number of columns. There are m rows and n columns. Suppose this is row 1. Suppose matrix is named as A. So matrix A1. Suppose A. This is row 1 and column. This is row 1 and column 1. Like this, the elements are here. Okay. So this is first row, second column, and these are the elements. Like here, this is the elements. Dot. This is the elements. Okay. Now what is the position of this element? What is the position of this element? This is first row and first column. So its element symbol is A11. Means first row, first column. This is A12, first row, second column. This is A13, first row, third column. This is number of column is what? M into n. Number of column is n. So first row, n column. Similarly, this is second row, first column, and this is second row, second column. This is second row, third column, and this is second row, n column. similarly dot dot, this is number of rows is equal to m here, mth row first column, mth row second column, mth row third column, like this, mth row nth column. This is of order m into n, m by n. Okay, this is the general matrix of order m by n. What is this question based on this concept? One questions. Construct a 3 by 4 matrix. 3 by 4 matrix whose general element. One question, that is, construct a 3 by 4 matrix whose general element is aij is equal to 2i minus j. Okay, this is question. So solution, the general matrix of order 3 by 4, that is, here 3 number of rows 3 and number of columns 4. So number of rows 3 means this is number of rows 3. Suppose this matrix is named as A, and number of columns is 4. First column, this is second column, third column, and this is fourth column. Clear? So what is the position here? A11, A12, A13, A14, and this is A21, A22, A23, A24, and this is A31, A32, A33, A34. Clear? This is the general matrix of order 3. Now given aij is equal to 2i minus j. So what is the value of a11? So 2 into 1 minus 1, this is equal to 1, and this is a12, this is 2 into 1 minus 2, I equal to 1, j equal to 2, so this is equal to 0, and this is a13, 2 into 1 minus 3, this is equal to minus 1, and a14, this is 2 into 1 minus 1, 4, this is equal to minus 2. So first column is over, and now second column is what? Second column, this is first column. So second column A21, first second column, this is first A12. Okay, A12 means what? A12, this is first row, this is first row, and this is second row. A21, that is 2 into 2 minus 1, this is equal to 3. A22, 2 into 2 minus 2, that is equal to 2. Okay, A23, here not visible, so write another place. So what is actually, this is the question, so write here the solution, because this is not visible. So write the solution here, this is equal to what? Given aij is equal to 2y minus j. Now a11, 2 into 1 minus 1 is equal to 1. A12, 2 into 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. A13 2 into 1 minus 3, this is equal to minus 1. A14 2 into 1 minus j means what? 4. This is equal to what? Minus 2. Now another row, that is A21. What is A21? A21, that is 2. I means 2, j means 1. So this is equal to 3. A22 2 into I means 2, j means 2. This is equal to what? 2. Okay. This is 4 minus 2. This is equal to 2. A23 2 into 2 minus 3. 4 minus 3. This is equal to 1. A24 2 into 2 minus 4. This is equal to 0. Another row. And the third row is what? And the third row is equal to what? A31 2 into 3 minus 1, 6 minus 1, this is equal to 5. A32 2 into 3 minus 2, this is equal to 4. A33 2 into 3, 6 minus 3, this is equal to 3. A34 2 into 3, 2 into I means 3 and j means what? 4. 6 minus 4, this is equal to 2. Now the matrix A is what? Now the matrix A is what? Now the matrix A is what? The matrix A is here. Now A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34. Put all the values. What is A11? Value of A11 1. Value of A12 what? 3. 0. This is 0. And value of A13 minus 1. Value of A14 value minus 2. Okay. So row 1 is completed. Now row 2. What is A21? What is A21? This is 3. And what is A22? 2. And this is completed. And A23 here 1. And A24 0. This is over. Now third row, this is A31. Value of A31 is equal to what? A31, this is 5. And A32 6 minus 2, that is 4. This is over. And this is over. And this is what? A. Now what is A33? A33 is equal to 3. And A34, this is equal to 2. Okay, this is the required answer. This is answer. Clear? Now another question. If there are, if there are 24 elements, then how many number of matrices can be constructed of different orders? Then how many matrices of different order orders can be constructed. Okay, this is the question. So solution is the number of elements. What? Number of elements is equal to 24. What is the factors of the 24? That can be, what is, we can write 1 into 24, 24 into 1, okay, 2 into 12 and 12 into 2, okay, so 3 into what, 24 elements, so 4 into 6, 6 into 4, clear, and another, then which are the possibles order, 1 into 24, 24 into 1, so 2 into 12, 12 into 2, 6 into 4, 4 into 6, this is 3 into 8 and 8 into 4, 8 into 3, okay. So now these are the possible orders, okay. The number of elements 24, and how can we construct the taking 24 elements in different order matrix? We can construct either 1 into 24, this means 1 row 24 columns, or we can 24 rows 1 column, or 2 rows 12 columns, 12 rows 2 columns, okay, and 4 row 6 column, 6 row 4 column, 3 row 8 column, and 8 row 3 column. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 different matrices. So answer is therefore there are 8 different matrices. There are 8 different matrices. There are 8 matrices. We can write there are 8 matrices of different order can be constructed. Clear? Can be constructed. Okay. One more question. In matrix 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 1, 7, 4, 3, 15, 8, 16, 7, 17, 9, minus 3, minus 1, 0, 3, 7, 5. What is the order of the matrix? What is the order of the matrix? Number 1 bit. What is the order of the matrix? Number 2. What is the elements? What are the elements? A3, 4, A 5, 1, A 4, 4. Okay. So solution is, answer is what? Answer is, what is number of rows here? This is row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of rows. So order of the matrix is So number of rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and number of columns. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. 4 columns. 5 by 4 matrix. Okay. So what is the element of A3? Second bit. This is first bit, and second bit is what? What is the element belong to third row, fourth column? 1, 2, 3. Third row, fourth column. 1, 2, 3, 4. So A 3, 4 is equal to what? 1, 2, 3. Third row and fourth column. Column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. This is equal to 16. And what is A 5, 1? Fifth row, first column. 5, 1 means fifth row and first column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is fifth row and column 1. So this is equal to -1. And what is A4, 4? A4, 4. Fourth row, fourth column. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth row, fourth column is equal to what? -3. These are the answers. Okay. Now another question. What is the difference between determinant and matrix? What is the difference between the determinant and matrix? What is the difference between the what is the difference between the determinant and matrices? Okay, what is the difference between determinant and matrices? Solution. Actually, what is the difference between determinant and matrices? Determinant indicates a single figure, whereas the matrix indicates or represents the system of arrangement. This is the answer. Determinant represents a single value, whereas a matrix is the arrangement of the systematic arrangement of elements. So matrix represents only arrangement, whereas determinant represents the single values. This is the only difference between determinant and matrices. Also, determinant is always square form. Also determinant is always in square form, but matrix may or may not be square form, but matrix may or may not a square form. These are the difference between matrices and determinant. Okay, now these are the fundamental concept of matrix. What is matrix? What is order of the matrix? And what is the general element of the matrix? What are the difference between determinant and matrices? Okay, what do you mean by order of the matrix? Number of rows multiplied by number of columns is called the order of the matrices. In next class we will discuss the types of matrices. Okay, the types of matrices and some examples. Thank you. Have a nice day.